Hey guys, welcome to another Nomad with Us vlog. I'm Sam, and together with my partner Dasha, we've been living here in Bali for the last 6 months as digital nomads. We thought you'd like to come along and see what our lives are like. We often like to get out on the weekends and explore around, and this weekend we thought we wouldn't want to book anything, we would just go and see what we could find. We went to Jatiluwih Terraces. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and to be honest, we were a little bit crazy for going all that way without having a place to stay. So we hope you stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Watch me, just follow every move, touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need.
We are more than halfway done, 24 minutes to go. It's freezing up here. If you come into the mountains, yeah, it's like 10 degrees or more cooler immediately. So, and the sun's going down, so we have to hurry.
Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close.
Well guys, we made it. I'll be the first to say that the GoPro does not do this view justice at all. Everything's very far away, including some massive mountains, but they're hidden a little bit by the clouds. Oh, look. Hello. I love this place already.
Me too.
Now where are we gonna sleep tonight? We thought, well, if we come here and we go somewhere, they can't refuse us. We'll pay them cash. All right, so we've taken in the view for a few minutes, but before it gets too dark, we need to find a place to stay. So we're gonna head into that town over there and look on the map and see what's around. Wish us luck. So we just came here with incredible views, but it looks unoccupied right now.
Excuse me, is anyone for at here hotel?
Yes, not open.
Not open. Oh.
I saw neighbors actually have also pretty good view.
Yeah, there was
Go
some
and
other
check if
places
they-
we passed by on the way here too.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, should we just pop into one of these rooms? Stay anyways.
How is it called? How is it?
Slavic state.
No.
We think we found a place. There's a guy.
Oh.
We asked if he had a room, and he said, "Oh, let me go get the keys." So we'll see. Is this your hotel? Can we stay for one night?
No, macam 300 and up 400
Upstairs 400.
tomorrow breakfast.
With tomorrow breakfast. Yeah.
But tomorrow,
Yeah.
tomorrow breakfast. Go home.
Yeah. Is that okay? We can stay?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the room. Go on then. Go on then. So the plan is we get up
To find food.
for sunrise.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan.
And sunrise.
Sunrise. Okay, we can get up at 5:30 and we can walk 100 meters and see a beautiful view.
Hopefully.
That's the plan. Okay, ready to go? Yes. Okay, let's go. Oh.
It's not that cold.
No, it's not that cold. I thought it was gonna be a bit chillier, but it's nice. Morning, guys.
And we found the path.
Yeah, we found a lovely little route. So we're gonna follow this. Hopefully we will get some amazing views of that rising sun. Oh, I can't wait. So excited.
Trying rice red.
Red rice
Red rice
that's grown
for the
here
first time.
by these lovely people. What are your names?
Ya, Kak Agus Jatiluwih.
Jatiluwih.
Warung sederhana Kak Agus. Halo.
Oh
Ya,
no.
Okay.
Ya, bukan.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Halo.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Wow. Okay, guys, we're gonna dig in. Sorry for that abrupt cut there, but this lovely couple gave us some food and some water, and they didn't even want to take any money for it.
they just rejected.
Yeah, but I slipped it in his pocket anyways, just to make sure they get compensated for it, because I don't think they've had
Picture
any
ya.
tourists here. Yeah. You want to be in the picture? Yeah.
Nanti saya ini.
We will show you Warung.
And look at their view. And now they're making some
Hello?
coffee.
Ya.
Some coffee.
Your wife,
Gini-gini
your
ya.
love.
Ini sama ini.
Terima kasih. Okay.
Terima
See you.
kasih, bagus.
Bagus. Bye bye.
Bye.
You're still here? Guys, it's the end of the video. If you've made it this far, please show us some love by liking the video and subscribing to see more just like it.
Well, honestly guys, if you can make it to Jatiluwih, you will not regret it, because for us it was probably the most authentic Balinese experience so far.
Feel free to comment down below if you know of any other authentic Balinese experiences we should definitely check out, and we will show you on the channel later.
Yeah, and thanks for nomading with us
Yeah, we'll see you guys
in the
next one.
one.